In this video, I'll show you how to check your level on Discord. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. And if you love to check your level on Discord server, what you need to do, open up your Discord. Right now, you can see these people are currently checking the level here on this server, right? So what you need to just come on here, use this, type in rank. So you can see it. Once you click on that rank, so you're gonna wait for it to load up, right? So you can see you haven't earned any XP yet. Keep participating and check later. So because I haven't been like really active, or I haven't been really testing in the group, so I can't be able to check my rank or my level on this Discord. So but if you look right here, you can be able to see these people are currently in higher levels, level 18, level 16, level 10. So what you need to do, just click on this, type in rank. So once you type in rank, yours is going to be able to come out. You can be able to check yours here on Discord. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.